English speakers, welcome to the beautiful countryside of Japan. What you see behind me is a tangerine orchard. The word orchard refers to a place where they farm fruits that grow on trees. So that can include apples, oranges, peaches, plums, and in this case, it's tangerines. Now, it's interesting that I mentioned Apple because in this post we're going to talk about Steve Jobs, one of the founders of the Apple tech company. He got kicked out of his own company, and in 1997 he returned to Apple as the CEO, and what he did was he cut the company back to its strategic core. To cut something back means to reduce something, and the word core refers to the center or the most important part of something. The core of our body, for example, is our abdomen or stomach region. So what was happening at Apple at the time was they were making a wide range of products and they weren't doing a good job of any one of them. And so what Steve Jobs did was he reduced their product lineup to a small handful of products, and he tried to make each one as good as it could possibly be. So when somebody wanted a desktop computer, they would buy the iMac. They wanted a laptop, they'd get the iBook. If they wanted an MP3 player, they'd get the iPod. If they wanted a phone, it was the iPhone. If they wanted a tablet, it was the iPad. Their product lineup was really simple. It was easy to make a decision about what you wanted to buy. Whereas nowadays, they've got, 3 different kinds of iPhones, they've got several different kinds of iPads in different sizes, and so on. So that's really what it means when Steve Jobs cut the company back to its strategic core. That strategic core was to make a small handful of consumer-focused, user-friendly products that were easy to choose from. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell symbol so that your notifications are turned on, because in my next post, I'm going to show you another phrasal verb using the word cut, and you don't want to miss out on it. I'll catch you in the next post.